It's our first day at the Huntington Beach Dog Park. So we're here with our dogs, Rudy and Ollie. Ollie's still on the leash because we're still not sure about him. He might bolt for it. But Rudy's off, and he's having fun making all kinds of friends. He was making friends with a golden retriever back there. Waves are still nice. Lots of big sets coming through. Just having a nice stroll along the beach. Come here, Rudy! Rudy! Rudy of the water! Yay! How do you like it so far?
Very nice.
It is. These guys are surfing without wetsuits, no less. Nice, nice waves. Let's see. Let's watch that wave come in. See if anybody gets it. There goes the surfer. All right, we just keep walking along. The dog beach starts at lifeguard tower number 20 back there. You can just park right there off of the road there, and off you go. Rudy, come on, Rudy. Ollie. Good boy, Ollie. What? Where's Rudy going? Rudy Pong. Rudy. 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 Come, Rudy. Come here, Rudy. Hi, big dog.
Sorry.
Oh, no problem. Come here, big dog.